Stein the hand of 18th Avenue between McDonald and East 2nd. Freeze Hardware Store, yeah. The iconic Freeze Hardware Store. The große Dreidel is here to welcome us. Jeder kennt the store. The store is in everybody's, jeder weiß Freeze. I don't know how many people were inside. Let me gwazen what dit do. You might find some very interesting stuff, was ik hem nog eens gewist. What dit do in this store. Kan je schon mal liken?
Oh, zwaarste.
Hashem. Avrom, you can't even do that on my mic. Clip it on over here. Ik come around do, asach. But a lot of people, they know of this store. It's an iconic store. It's dus lang, but not everybody knows what's inside the store, and not everybody knows what we just opened up. The website we want to talk about soon. So show us around a little. Go, wow, look at this. Not an inch of a space. The walls are covered, top to bottom, with beautiful merchandise. Heerlijke zaken. Avromi, take us in.
Keuken kan we door aangaan. Hat man door de housewares, hardware. Doe hat man alles auf dem Wand. Was man da von einer kitchen.
Top to bottom. Everything you need. From potato peelers, see messes, see spatulas, whatever you need, has to do. So your store's unique because you carry Sai Hardware, Sai Houseware. Same store.
Anything you need, a mini Home Depot.
A mini Home Depot, as I gesagt.
Anything you need, you come in, we help you. We help you fix everything.
I love that idea.
Fixing in the house to cooking in the house.
Take care of the man and the wife.
Perfect.
That's it. Wow, waarom is zo als van de man en van de vrouw? Gereed dat Kallah komt eraan doen. Today the word is white glove. Right, there's the hand to give out. I heard a white glove service to get here.
We give the best service ever. We toivel and deliver. Private appointments.
Private appointment. So dat Kallah will come in with the mama. A private appointment. No, take us in. Laat me zien wat we over doen voor Kallah.
Keuken hat man do. A sag was Shopstores haben nicht. Man do zebra shades.
Zebra shades.
In stock. This is not for colors. This is for anybody.
This is custom made.
This is custom made. This is ready stock. And of this art, hat man custom made.
Custom
we have
to
a
your
very
window.
Big variety. We can special order.
Beautiful.
All different types.
It's yiddish. Most people don't have this.
Most hardware stores don't have this.
This is Taka Mini Home Depot.
We try.
Beautiful. Wow. Give a kick, Kevin. Look at this. This is Taka.
We have a große Auswahl von dishes. Corel. Shabbos dishes.
Beautiful.
China, bone china.
Really
all different
nice.
styles.
Wow, I mean the S-side cutlery for days. For jede occasion, Shabbos, Yom Tov, Mittwoch. Milchiks, fleischiks. This is really beautiful. Wow. So they get a private appointment, and you show them, you help them.
Help them decide, give them
That's kind of a tzat picking
Ja, flat when I'm sat. Flat when dishes is the längste dat ik voor Kallah.
Wow. Nogmaals, als we zoveel choices doen, verstaat zich van hem tzat. Gorgeous options here.
Ga je nog maar was naar een nieuwe zaak van mij groeien. Een shiny present zu kaufen einem.
Oh wow.
Leicht door aan Wasser.
Dan push daarof. Jetzt kommt er so ein bisschen Wasser. Ich habe alles allemaal gemischen mit der Grachma Machroniums. You pour the whole thing spills out. But this is a simple way.
Simple way.
Wow. Shine Tischtige do. Beautiful. Runners.
Nog dan doe leestischtiger.
Leestischtige.
With the lining in the back.
Are these waterproof? These aren't, but they're...
No, they're not waterproof, but they're easy to wash in the washing machine.
Nice, I like it. It comes with. Mama met allemaal gedacht liken in de machine.
Je darf zwei Menschen.
Zwei Menschen und ein Mensch shine off. Wow, beautiful runners. Alumine.
Ga ik op de terug aan de tap. Tap is al gelijk de ganze aisle. Maar du hast Sachen andere mine, different quality, better and cheaper. Everybody what they want. Tap is een wichtige zaak. Wat homen like, hopen I get the top.
Is the Essen geht. Ja, der Essen kommt aus geht, das schon mal
everybody happy.
Everybody's happy. Ich habe nur the red, blue.
Rote endlich, blue endlich.
Giddish, met alle moe gewoon
nog
vermischt.
Nog met plain stainless steel.
Beautiful.
En nog bessere. Een bisschen heavier.
Nice. Beautiful. Alle pots, frying pans.
Cutting boards.
Meat boards. Shine, shine, shine. Beautiful, beautiful. Rolling pins.
For sourdough.
Die weiß, was der Kallah davon.
Das ist die wichtige Sache.
Das ist die wichtigste Sache. Und das Sourdough-Brot. Kann ich schon an ganzen Shabbat und kein Sourdough. Die verstehst.
Ich habe noch gewiss, was noch so do in der Store. Gits von Kallah Summons do small appliances, von hand mixers, hand blenders, hot water urns for Shabbos.
Große hot water urns, belly crackers,
browned food processors.
This is a froze Candyland.
Correct.
A mama walked around, it's a Candyland for them. What do you will to do for say?
Unlimited garbage
households.
cans for the kitchen.
Unreal. Non-stop. I mean, the broom's grader, let me tell you, you have a Israeli company dustpan here. It works like magic, let me tell you.
And it comes with the matching
Comes
broom.
with a matching broom. My wife benched me for buying it. So it makes it so much easier to sweep. Every type of broom, dustpan, the Gitte companies. I love this, look at this. Every type of beautiful washing cup, alumina, shine, beautiful. That's a luxury item, man.
Ich habe noch mal gewasen, organizing hat, das ist eine Sache, was jeder einer hat in daheim. Bestseller, people like to organize a lot. We have a full selection. All different styles, from eye design to cheaper ones.
Am Bibel ist organized.
Mesh.
Aber house is organized for me, is a Ruhigkeit.
Oh yeah.
Everything has a spot. Organization is the key. Beautiful.
Gewasen a full selection von Handtücher. All different styles, dish towels, hand towels, all different designs.
Beautiful. Then I had gold design. Beautiful golden.
En jetzt kommen wir auch zu der Mikva.
Wow. Wow, this is yiddish of Rumi. Actually clean water. This, as many mikvahs from Kallah. A mensch can toiven do.
Yeah, anybody wants to jump in?
I'll jump in. It's a little cold outside, if it's hot, I'll jump in. Normal mikvah is a tinkle, kalte, whatever, beautiful mikvah. You don't have to worry about your pots getting dirty, it's beautiful, clean. So you toivel it for them and you deliver it.
And deliver it, yes.
Beautiful. So you hold it till the Kallah gets married.
The day before they need it, they call me, we toivel it, and we deliver it to them.
Beautiful. Avrom, is that a coffee machine? What's this? I mean, a coffee machine?
This is a paint machine, was we mix colors from paint. Jeder eins do hat andere color.
Wow.
And this like man a gallon from paint.
What are you talking about?
We mix that color. Anybody walks in, we help them choose a color, anything they want. This is a yiddish for a hardware store.
This is like a Home Depot with Lowe's together.
Oh yeah.
I never saw this. Looks like I never paint a unique color, comes in here, picks his color from that book, and you mix the paint
on the spot, he walks out with it.
Walks out with the paint and can paint in the hose. Also the paintbrush with accessories as well.
Alles hat man do auf dem Wand, anything they need, from silicone to paintbrushes.
Unbelievable. We can bow in a hose from their store for free.
Ja.
Kallah kavod.
Laten we jetzt aannemen de hardware. This is a candy store for every man.
The man candy store. Every type of piece of hardware that a person needs. Aluminum pliers, tools, hard tools, big tools. This is mamish.
Electrical, anything in electrical, you have to fix in your house. To plumbing.
Wow.
Faucets.
So I never saw a store so packed in for alles. Everything a person could ever need. Jede type of screw, from days, hoses, pipes, everything. I mean, pipes. I don't even know what this stuff are. Well, like I said, ich bin allemaal der Mensch, was kommt daran und sagt, gehen wir dir dus, I go to Home Depot, gehen wir dir dus, and connect to the ends. So when somebody comes in and says that, you know exactly what he's talking about.
Before he starts talking, he shows me with his hands, weiß ich schon, was
Er weiß schon mit den Hands, er weiß schon, was meint. It's sign language. Wow, alle meine pipes and screws.
Ga je ook nog einmal gerne bauen eine Hose. Darf machen, die Hose soll gut schmecken.
That's it, so man gepaint.
Gepaint.
Man hat angelegt alle utensils, alle tools, und dann schmeckt darf man auch,
Open alle Centerfires.
Alle meine Schmeckereien. Beautiful for the hose, herrlich. In sich Shabbos mit Kids, darf man ein Haircut. Hat man das auch nicht. Sei geht.
And to wrap it up, we also offer gift cards for all occasions. Chus and Kallah's
Beautiful
Tatas,
gift card.
mamas.
So I must say Candyland, this place for a father and mother. If I kind auch, ich sehe, the carriers do alle meine cute toys for kids, alle meine Akitu items, the MP3 players, the cameras, alle kosher items. For kind is, so Saifa Tata, Saifa Mama. This is their Candyland. This is amazing to walk in here. As much money as you have on a gift card, it's
never enough.
It's never enough. So this is the ideal gift for anybody. Can do for a gift card for anybody, for Kallah, for Tata, for Mama, for Rebbe, for boss, anybody. In einem mentioned that there's a yiddish over here. You opened up a website.
We opened up a website, same day delivery in Borough Park Flatbush. Getoivelt. Getoivelt is a yiddish because on Amazon you can't get that getoivelt same day. But that's what we're offering.
That's amazing. So you order on the website a pot, a pan, whatever you need, a knife, a messer, a spatula. Comes that day. Eine Zeit macht a Lokschenkegel, so wird man a pot and a spatula. Order it on shopfreeds.com. Delivered that day, get toilet height, and if you put in the Perlowitz Show in the promo code, you get a free gift. Is that a free gift?
Free gift.
It's a free gift. Amazing. So Chevre, go onto the website shopfreeds.com. Order it. It's going to be delivered that day with a special gift when you put in the Perlowitz Show promo code. Shkoyach Avrami. This is a real treat for me to see what's going on over here. This is amazing. I never saw all this in one store. As a Home Depot, a Lowe's, put together with a gift shop, with a alles. Shkoyach. Chevre, Freiliche Chanukah.